Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So quick vlog lang to. It's regarding my Vios. A couple of days ago, yan. Nasira to. Hindi na to gumagana tong itong port na to. Charger, yan. So I was looking around trying to find the fuse box kasi syempre pag may nasirang electronics, the first thing that you do is you check the fuse box. Check kung yung fuse corresponding to that part is still working or is still intact. So that's what I did. I tried finding the fuse box, and nung una hindi ko makita. Ang nakita kong fuse box straight away is the one right here. Yan. So yan. Pero alam ko naman usually there's one inside, and I was trying to look for it dito sa ilalim and I could not find it kasi walang opening. Pero syempre I did a quick Google search just to find out na yung fuse box nitong Vios Gen 3 is, ayan, I don't know if you guys can see it, pero nandyan siya sa dashboard. So what I had to do was I had to remove panels, yan, even the cover for the radio, yan, tinanggal ko yan, and then I had to pull this panel out. Ito, yan. Oh shit, crap, okay, anyway, so yan, I had to pull it out just to gain access to that right there. And that, guys, is the fuse box for this car. And ito yung fuse for, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is the fuse for yung cigarette port doon, cigarette lighter, whatever you call it. So yun, and yun, putol na siya sa gitna, and that's the reason why that port wasn't working. So later I'll try it out, pero I'm pretty sure nagagana na siya. Pero yan, again, the gist of this video is to let you guys know na yan, dyan nakatago yung fuse box nitong kotse na to. It's really hard to get to, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. So yan. Anyway, I hope this video helps sa mga tao na hindi makita yung fuse box nila. Yan, it's right there. So yun, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.